Once the chicks are large enough to move around the nest, their education begins in earnest. Nest repairs are a fairly continuous process, as ibis nests are not the most robust of structures. Unlike some species of birds that reuse the same nests each year, ibis nests soon disappear without continuous repairs, so these enigmatic birds have been hit hard by human development, with their natural habitat having all but disappeared from the rest of the region. After more than 3 decades of war, the species was thought by many experts to be extinct. However, in the mid-1990s, reports of sightings started to come in, and in 1998, giant ibis were rediscovered in Previhir province in the hundreds. Small numbers are also found in southern Laos and Vietnam, as well as in East Kalimantan in Indonesia. However, the vast majority are found in northern Cambodia. Early risers, this fight was probably over mating rights. The victor mounts his opponent, possibly to enforce his dominance. Feed on the same prey as their larger relatives, spending many hours poking their beaks into the soft ground to unearth frogs and various invertebrates. The other inhabitants. This juvenile changeable hawk eagle arrives for a drink, terrifying a lesser whistling duck in the process. With an ever-growing cacophony of alarm calls, the eagle soon leaves. Also has some 22 species of woodpecker, more than 10% of the world's total number, and includes what is now the world's largest species, the great slaty woodpecker. The elegant sarus crane nests here, and both woolly-necked and black-necked storks can be. Another feathered inhabitant is what is without doubt Cambodia's most extravagant bird, have suffered shocking declines in their global numbers over the past 2 decades. A drug called diclofenac, which was used widely in the treatment of cattle across India, turned out to be highly toxic to the vulture, provide some security for the breeding populations, which are currently stable. Several juveniles can be seen here, identified by the white fluffy feathers on their necks. Cambodia is home to 3 species, all of which number just a few hundred individuals. The distinctive red-headed vulture, the white-rumped vulture, and the slightly larger slender-billed vulture. Only the redheads can be sexed easily. The males can be identified by their distinctive yellow eyes, while the females are jet black.